In a happy town, brave heroes were always ready. Good morning, Firey!
Beep, beep. Ready to help.
We're ready too, Firey! Suddenly, the alarm rang! Firey, let's go! Zoom, zoom! Hold tight! Firey rushed through the town. Don't worry, little kitty. I've got the ladder! Sam climbed carefully. Don't worry, kitty. I've got you.
Nice and easy.
Great job, Firey! You're welcome, Kitty Spark.
Meow, thank you.
Anytime, little hero. Helping is our job!
Teamwork saves the day.
Sam and Firey are always ready. Another happy ending! Like and subscribe to Happy Kids before time runs out. Don't miss it! 6, 5.
Don't miss it.
Time's almost up. Good job, kids! Welcome to Happy Kids.
See you next time.